Yes, good morning, children. Welcome back to your online classes. So, last class, we have completed exercise 4, third main. Exercise 4, third main we have completed, and I did addition and subtraction, first method and second method. So, today we'll start exercise 5. Okay, children, we'll start exercise 5. Exercise 5. First main, exercise 5, first main. Take out your textbook, page number 169. Those who are not having textbook, please don't bother. We'll send PDF in Max Classwork. So I'm writing all the sums. Yes, no, children? So you can copy in your rough books also. So add the following. Add the following. First one, first main, add the following. A. 2 by 7 plus 5 by 7. So what you should do? 2 plus 5 by 7. Your answer is 7 by 7. So if you get same answer, you can write 7 ones are 7 ones are. So your answer will be 1. 7 ones are 7, 7 ones are 7. So your answer will be 1 if you get same answer. So B, 3 by 11 plus 6 by 11. So 3 plus 6 by 11. Your answer is C. 3 by 11 plus 6 by 11. 3 plus 6 I have written. This denominator will be same. So by 11, 3 plus 6, you do 3 in the mind, 6 on my finger. After 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 by 11. So your answer will be same because here I can do in the same table. 7 ones are 7, 7 ones are 7. So your answer is 1. If you want, you can write 7 by 7, same number. Here it is different. I can't write 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 11. Wrong. So the answer is this much only. Next is C. 8 by 12 plus 3 by 12. 8 plus 3 by 12. So your answer is 8 in the mind, 3 on my finger. After 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 by 12. Okay, children. Next, D. 6 by 17 plus 2 by 17 plus 1 by 17. How you should write? By 17 will be same. 17 will be same. 6 plus 2 plus 1. So how much? Answer will be 17. Denominator will be same. 6 in the mind, 2 on my finger. After 6, 7, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. Your answer is 9 by 17. Just copy this in your rough book, children. Those who are having textbook, just how to do this method, you can copy in your textbook in the pencil only. Don't use pen in the textbook. Okay, children? E. E sum 3 by 13 plus 2 by 13 plus 4 by 13. By 13 will be the same. 3 plus numerator 2 plus this numerator 4. Denominator will be same. So your answer is 3 plus 2, 5. 5 in the mind, 4 on my finger. After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 by 13. Just copy down this sum. Copy down this sum, children. And yes, this sums I am doing now. Today your max homework is this only, children. So directly you can copy in your max homework, or those who copied in your textbook. This sums you should do in your max homework. Okay, children, do this in your max homework book also. Those who have copied in your rough book, copy down in the rough book this exercise 5, first main. Today's max homework, because so many children not having textbook at all, children. So today's max homework is exercise 5. Those are doing in the textbook, small in the pencil. So afterwards in the classwork, not classwork, sorry, homework, you can copy this neatly. Those are copying this, the sums in the rough book. Those are not having textbook, you're copying in the rough book. After copying from the rough book, write neatly in the max homework book. Leave one line, write neatly the sums. Okay, children? So your sums is 12 sums are there. 12 sums also today max homework is exercise 5. 12 sums. Those who are not having textbook, don't worry. This only children, this is your max homework. Copy down first in your rough book. Afterwards write neatly in your max homework. Yes, 5 finish. Next, 2 by F. 2 by 15 plus 7 by 15 plus 4 by 15. By 15 denominator will be the same. 2 plus 7 plus 4. So what is your answer? 2 plus 7. 2 in the mind, 7 on my finger. After 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 plus 4, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Your answer is 13 by 15. By 9 will be the same. 2 plus 4 plus 1. You know the addition. So denominator will be same. 2 plus 4, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 by 9. H. 3 by 4 plus 2 by 4 plus 5 by 4. So 4 will be the same. 3 plus 2 plus 5. So 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 2, 10. 10 by 4. Your answer is 10 by 4. Just copy down this, children. Next is I. 2 by 11 plus 3 by 11 plus 1 by 11. 11 will be the same. 2 plus 3 plus 1. 3 plus 2. 2 in the mind. 3. 4, 5 plus 1, 6. 6 by 11. Your answer is 6 by 11. Just copy here, no place. So I'm writing here and you can write it down now. Neatly write, children, in the homework book. Okay? See, 21, 17 plus 15. So 17 plus 15, how much? 17 plus 15, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12, 1 carry, 3. Your answer is 32 by 21. Your answer is, so add this, children, you should add. If only 3 finger, 5 finger means just, so you can add it, okay, children. So that 17 plus 15. You can't keep 17 in the mind, 15 fingers. So just I add it here. You should also do like that only. For 3, see here, 3 plus 2, 3 in the mind, 2 on my finger, 3 after 4, 5. Like that, 5 plus 5, 10. 10 by 4. Numerator 10, denominator is 4. So like that, here 15 plus 17 plus 15. You can't count. So just I wrote 17 plus 15. Next K sum is 4 by 7, 2 by 7 plus 5 by 7. So denominator will be the same. Denominator is 7. So here 4 plus 2 plus 5. So you can count fingers. 4 in the mind, 2 on my finger. After 4, 5, 6. 6 plus 5. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Your answer is 11 by 7. Yes, copy down, children. Just copy all this in your rough book. After, at last, I'll give today's homework is exercise 5. So those who are having textbook, copy from the textbook the sums, which method I have done. You should write that method in the homework neatly. Don't write direct answer, because last class I saw multiplication, division, addition, subtraction, everything. You have written direct answer. I don't want direct answer. I want step by step. This also exercise 5. Those who are having textbook, copy down the sum and you should write step by step. Those who are not having textbook, what I have written on the board, just copy and write neatly. Okay, children? One more sum is left. 3 by... One more sum. 3 by 13. Last one. 3 by 13 plus 12 by 13 plus 11 by 13. So 13 will be the same. 3 plus 12 plus 11. So when you count down means, see 12, 11, this 3 you can write. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 plus 1, 2. Your answer is 26. 26 by 13. You know 13 ones are 13, 13 twos are 26. See 13 ones are 13 twos are. So your answer will be only 2. Understand, children? Your answer is only 2. 13, 2 by 26 by 13. You can write direct answer also. Just I am showing in one table. See, in 6 ones a table, can you do 11? No. Here 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14. No. Here 21 ones are 21, 21 twos are not 32. It won't come. But here 13 ones are 13, 13 twos are 36. So your answer is 2. Got it, children? Just copy all the sums. Next, add the following fractions. Add the following fractions step by step. Add the following fractions second main. First one, 3, 3 by 5. 3, 3 by 5 plus 5, 1 by 5. How what you should do? As I told, what you should do? Whole number first, 3 plus 5 plus 3 plus 1 by 5. So you should write like this, children. You can write 3 by 5 plus 1 by 5 also. You can write. So here 5 plus 3, 5, 6, 7, 8 plus 3 plus 1, 4 by 5. Your answer is 8, 4 by 5. Your answer is 8, 4 by 5. Just copy it, children. Second sum. B1, 3, 1 by 9 plus 2, 1 by 9. You can write 3 plus 2 whole number plus 1 by 9 plus 1 by 9. Here see 2 number also same. You can write 1 plus 1 by 9 also, but I am writing step by step. 3 plus 2, 5 plus 1 by 9 plus 1 by 9. So next method 5, 1 plus 1 by 9. Here it will be, so 5 plus 1 plus 1, 2 by 9. Answer is 5, 2 by 9. You can do step by step also like this. Here I did shortly. See 3 plus 5, 8. 3 plus 1 by 5. Here I copied 1 by 9, 1 by 9, 5 plus 1 by 9, 1 by 9. 5, 1 plus 1 by 9. I did so many long step. Here, short step. You can do any method, but we want the answer correctly. Okay, children? Just do it. Yes, shall I rub the board? Yes, third sum. So third sum is 2, 3 by 7 plus 5, 1 by 7. So whole number you have to copy 2 plus 5 and 3 by 7 plus 1 by 7. The whole number 2 plus 5 equals 5, 6, 7. 7 plus 3 plus 1 by 7. So 7 plus 3 plus 1, 4 by 7. So your answer is 7, 4 by 7. 7, 4 by 7. Okay, children. Next is D1. 5, 1 by 3 plus 2, 1 by 3 plus 1, 2 by 3. So how will you copy this? So you should copy that the 3 numbers also. Okay, children. So how we are going to copy? So this is mixed fractions here. This. 5, 6, 7 plus 1, 8. So how you should do, children? 5 into 3 plus 1 by 3. This also 2 into 3 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 into 3 plus 2 by 3. What you are going to do? 5 3s are 15. 15 plus 1, 16 plus 2 3s are 6 plus 1, 7. 1 3s are 3, 4, 5. So denominator will be the same. So 3, sorry children, 17, 3. So 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. Your answer is 28 by 3. Here you got improper fraction. If 3 methods are there like this, just do like this. When you get improper fraction, convert into mixed fraction. 3, 28, 3 ones are 3. You can't take 3 ones are 3. So 3 nines are 27. 27, 1, 0. Your answer is whole number 9, 1 by 3. Your answer is 9, 1 by 3. Just copy down this, children. 9, 1 by 3. Yes, shall I rub the board? So in example sums, last class, just I taught you, you may think one addition, ma'am, return whole number, this denominator, numerator, same. Here, why I did this method? 2 methods are there in addition and subtraction. This is first method, this is second method. Yes, no children? First method and second method. This last 2 sums are very easy, children. You can only write it. Okay, children? So I'll give today max homework. Max homework. Lesson number 6, fractions. Lesson number 6, fractions. Exercise 5, page number 169. First main. First main. Those who are not having textbook, please don't worry. Okay, children, one time only do the sum step by step. No direct answer. see first 3 by 11. 3 by 11 plus 6 by 11. You should not write answer 9 by 11. I put wrong. I want 3 plus 6 by 11 equals 9 by 11. I want step by step every sum. You should not write direct answer. See, those who are not having textbook, please don't worry. This exercise 5, when I started the class, I wrote all the sums. Yes, no children? How many sums? 12 sums I did. Yes, no, first main. Exercise 5, first main. 12 sums. A to L. So I did all the sums. You copied in your rough book, no? So that all the sums you should write in max homework. You should write it in max homework. Those are having textbook. Exercise 5, page number 169, first main one time. Those are not having textbook, this class only. Or you may think, oh, ma'am gave max homework, what to do? Repeat once again. Just repeat the class once again. Begin from the first. Copy all in your max homework what I did on the board. That is your max homework. Because so many children, due book it is there. Please don't worry children. If it is due book also, what I wrote on the board only, today's max homework. What the online came today, no, that is only a max homework. So if you copied in rough notebook, write neatly in the pen in the max homework book. So today's max homework is today's class only. Okay children, here I'll end my class. Thank you.